Now, Donna Pitts, quite possibly one of my, well, least favourite, Rusteze Tent characters. Mainly because she, doesn't really stand out as much as, other, rusty cars, like, well, of course, there's Meta, there's, Fred, Jay Shoesteer, even. I don't mind Jay Shoesteer. I actually quite like him, to be honest. Of course, the Rusty and Dusty, though, well, actually saying that, it is quite unfair to compare, Donna Pitts to, Rusty and Dusty. It's not that fair a comparison, But either way, as I previously mentioned, she is a character who appears in the Rusteze Tent in Cars 1, which is where Lightning McQueen does his so-called speech at the end of the Dynaco 400, which was meant to be the last race of the season, but it was actually the penultimate, because, there was a freeway tie and all that. That's how McQueen ended up in Radiator Springs and is now a whole nother car. But yes, even still, let's have a closer look at her, shall we? So she hasn't really got much of a grill, if that's what you call it. Lack of grill, would you call it? I have no idea. But either way, the grill's not what it's supposed to look like. Still, the headlights are also not very good, very rusty. Though, well, they are rusty cars for crying out loud, so you do kind of expect that. Nice smiling expression. Well, I can just about see that. On the side of, well, more rusty, more yellow. No, sorry, yeah, more yellow, that makes sense, doesn't it? She's yellow, so more yellow, of course. So, no number plate. All seems like a brake lights are just, showing. Interesting, somewhat. Very rusty windscreen. They're supposed to be made of glass, so I don't see how glass can get very rusty. That remains a complete mystery. Even still, she is a Thailand variant, which I think this is actually one of the better Thailand variants, because, of course, she's a rusty car, and, of course, Thailand with its grainy decals and all that. It actually kind of suits her, this sort of grainy look. Have a great day, folks.